Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy Discord message ID. Firstly, what you need to do, just simply go on your profile photo by clicking on your right side, and here as you can see right now we are on our user settings. Now you need to scroll down and find for app settings, and you need to choose the behavior selection. Click on that. And on the chat behavior selection, you have the first one, developer mode. You need to turn on this as you can see, this dem has been selected. Now I need to get back and go for a chat. For example, we'll go with this one, and now we'll go with this. Now if I want to copy this ID, I need just to click and hold on it, and here as you can see I have an option for copy ID. I will go on that selection, and as you can see guys, it has been copied to my clipboard. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.